Hello, and welcome to our first video in our Facebook lead generation series. My name is Eric, and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial and giving you some tips and best practices to succeed on the Facebook platform. You'll definitely want to pay attention to the next 5 minutes because Facebook is a great resource in that everyone is on it, it's free, and you can create a business page where you can potentially get branding benefits and possibly potentially new leads. So it's a great resource, and you'll definitely want to use it for your marketing strategy. The first thing you're going to want to do is find your business page. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use our Delaware page. And as you can see below the cover photo, you'll see a little area where you can type in your text. It says write something. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste what I wrote earlier and just hit publish. And as you can see, it's now posted on my page, and additionally, it'll show up in the news feed of people who like my page. This is just a simple text post with some words, but to get more engagement and have people click on your post, you're going to want to spice it up, add some stuff. A few things you might want to add, for example, I can go ahead and hover my mouse over this camera icon to add a photo or a video. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pull up my files for whatever I'm using, a desktop or a laptop or a cell phone. In this case, I'm using my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click on the photo I want. It'll auto-populate, and then I can click publish. And there you have it, a post with a photo. Nice, more likely to be clicked on in the news feed. It's big, has some nice colors. So you'll definitely want to include photos when possible in your post because, again, you're going to get more engagement and more people are going to click on it. Now I'm going to show you real quick two things. One is a hashtag, which is a keyword or a trending topic or just something that's popular on social media where you want to have your content be found by more people. For example, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and hashtag invest and franchise because those are two words that I know are very relevant online. People are always looking for investment opportunities. So this way, by putting a pound sign in front of the words, it's now clickable, and anyone who's looking for those search terms will be able to find my post on Facebook. Another thing I'm going to do really quick is add a link to this post. I'm going to go ahead, find the link on my website as such, include it here, and paste. And what you'll notice is Facebook automatically auto-populates a bunch of photos taken from whatever website you're using, as you can see here. It's including 5 photos I can choose from. I could do all of them, but that gets a little messy. So I'm just going to click off 4 of them and leave the one. So now we have a nice post with a link and an auto-populated photo. I'll click publish and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. And there you have it. You have a great post with link included and a great photo with an auto-populated preview of what information they could expect to find on that web page. So this is the type of post you'd want to use. This is the type of post that you might get more clicks on. You might, get some business from. So definitely explore using links and photos when possible. Another thing you might want to try if you want to, get more eyes on your content is click on this Boost Post button. By doing this, Facebook gives you the option to target different groups of people. For example, people that are interested in franchising in this case. I could do it to a local area. I can pick my budget anywhere from a couple bucks to as much as I want. And then I could click on Boost, and that's going to run sort of a mini ad just to get more people to see this post. I'm not going to run this one, though. This is just for an example. And then the last thing I'll show you before I leave is the hashtag that we created. In this case, it was franchise. So if you go ahead and click on the franchise blue word, you'll now notice that you're taken to all of the content on Facebook having to do with franchise. Pages, groups, posts, including some of our posts. So like I said, putting a hashtag in your post is basically going to make it a keyword and have it so people can easily find your content online if they haven't liked your page already. And that is about it for the basics of posting. We're going to get a little bit more into what types of posts you want to do in terms of trying to get more leads, specials, deals, stuff you can do to entice people. But I just wanted to give you the basics first of how to post, best practices and whatnot, and a couple other tips before I leave. If you ever make a mistake on your post, you can always go in and hit the edit post button, and that's going to let you change the link, edit words. You can do anything, and Facebook will basically, once you hit the done editing button, it'll redo it. It'll be automatically fixed in the newsfeed. Anyone who sees it will see the new word, not the misspelled word. And the last tip I can give you is you definitely want to stay relevant to your industry. So, if you're in shoes, you want to talk about shoes, apparel, clothing. We're in restoration, so we talk about things like home improvement, weather, hurricanes, mold, and franchise stuff. So the best way to get people to engage with your content on Facebook is to just post good quality, informative, fun content that is relevant to your industry. That is the first step in getting people to start liking your posts, and then the next step will be getting them to convert into leads, which will be in our next video. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to speaking with you in our next video. Have a great one.